Hello there, Taylor with the Armageddon Report. Here's what's going on in the world of hurricanes, or in this case, in the world of tropical depressions. Let's see if the site works. Hey, it came up right away this time. Sure, but yesterday. So here's where tropical depression, formerly tropical storm Aletta, is, and hanging out, and apparently not going very far, gonna be dead soon. I don't know. So that's, what's going on or something in the Eastern Pacific, and of course back out behind Aletta is 20% chance of tropical cyclone formation. I do believe that yesterday was 30, so it's dropped, Shower and thunderstorm activity associated with an area of low pressure. Yada, yada, yada. You can read that on your own. Or we go over to the Atlantic, where it's still not the time, the season of the hurricane yet. Starts June 1st, so unsurprisingly, no tropical cyclones at this time. Here on the active weather hazards map, you can see that parts of the country are completely on fire. Well, not really, but that is the color of the red flag warning, which is a fire-related hazard. It could be stuff like low relative humidity, dry thunderstorms, windy conditions. So if a fire did set, it would spread quite quickly because of the wind. And drought, if the area has drought-like conditions, so the ground is already dry and stuff, the vegetation not holding on very well. So yes, red flag warnings all the way up there, and down there and stuff. And today, in severe weather, this is the farthest west I do believe I've seen. See, generally when it hits like the corners of states, it's like down here, something like that. There's like a circle there, something. So what do we got? We got Wyoming, Utah, and Colorado in the slight risk, apparently because of wind chance today. So let's look at the probabilities. Right, so here's the wind map. So you can see your slight risk here, 5% going up so many different states. Hail risk, apparently not as big as a threat, only 5%. And in tornado terms, apparently not really a threat at all, or at least not forecasted to be a threat or something. Tomorrow, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, and a smidgen of Texas in these light risk areas. So we pop on over here to look at this and say, oh, it also extends far more northward than the slight risk area would suggest. Day after tomorrow, 5% chance through all of these states here. And then day 4 through 8, predictability too low. So that means there is potential severe weather on the horizon, but the timing and/or location is not yet stable enough for a designated area to appear on the map. Or something. I don't know. So yes, let's go back out. So if you're in this area today, you should totally pay attention and stuff like that. I don't know. WikiWix, WICKADWX.com. And stay relaxed and groovy this weekend, hopefully. Enjoy it, try not to upset any tornadoes if you do see them, because they do respond. If you try to, chuck beer bottles at them or something, they're like, oh, right, I'm coming right for you now. I don't think that's possible. I don't think the tornado cares. Anyway, so enjoy your weekend.